back under the building, being all creepy. It's dark under here, but anyway, I was just doing a PM on that unit over there, and I just happened to look over here and I found something pretty interesting, at least interesting to me. So check this out. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it's an old boiler from the 1900s. Yeah, I found an old boiler from the 1900s, so let's take a look at it. This is how we used to heat up our buildings back in the day. And it's still down here because it's made out of solid steel and it's super heavy, and they would have had to tear up the building to get it out, so they just disconnected it and left it. So let's take a look. Okay, so we have this old boiler. It's from the Steel Tank and Pipe Company of Oregon, based out of Portland, Oregon. I don't know when it was manufactured. It doesn't have a date on it, but it does have a model or a catalog number and a serial number. So I'm going to look that up, see if I can find the manufacture date. It's solid steel. I mean, it's pretty strong. But basically, they used to shovel coal in there and it would burn. And you'd have water up here and it would heat up that water. So they actually still have a coal supply up here. So all this is coal that they would throw into that burner box. So you just open this up and shovel some in like that. But I don't know if this hole is supposed to be under there. I'm thinking that this sat under there and somebody pulled it out. But yeah, in order to take this thing out, they would have had to tear up the whole building. And you know, it's super heavy, so cheaper to just disconnect it and leave it. But this is pretty cool. This is a nice find. So the doors to the boiler still work. And they just build these things to last. I mean, it's not in terrible condition. I'm not sure if this was supposed to be sealed at some point. So I'm guessing water had to go through here. Maybe there was some other parts. I'm gonna look up this type of furnace or type of burner or boiler and see if we can find out how this thing works. But yeah, this is pretty crazy. But I do know you would burn the fire down there with coal, obviously, because there's a bunch of coal right there. And then pretty much it's the same way as you pump water into it, heat it up, and then send it out. So there's a water valve here. Not sure where that goes. Got a little discharge. Run right there. That ties into the same water loop. Oh, there's another one over there. But yeah, so this thing's pretty crazy. It's just like, I can't believe I found something like this in here. Let's see what else we got going on back here. I think this is some kind of exhaust or flue. Then we have a big old duct. Man, that is a thick duct. I mean, look at the gauge on this. So much better. It's starting to deteriorate. Yeah. So I just thought I'd share that. This old boiler from who knows when. But I will try to look it up and find out what the age of this thing is. And then we got some random parts here too. So I'm all done with my PM, but I did some really quick research. So I couldn't find anything about the furnace, or I'm sorry, about the boiler, but I did find out that this building was built in 1909. So assuming that's the original furnace or the original boiler, that thing's from 1909. So that's pretty crazy, but I'm going to still do a little more research, you know, on my off time when I have a little more time, but I did look up this building and it's from 1909. So the oldest that thing could be is 1909. That's crazy. What a find. Anyway, Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, tell me what a horrible technician I am, hit that bell notification, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching. Whoosh.